Too bad. All right, good. Hey guys, so I've been getting asked a lot about the 8th gen 87 to 91 trucks and the 10th gen, basically 97 to 2004 trucks. Now, you guys like the faceplates that we made for the OBS and the different styles, and that took a long time to figure out and get right because it was really hard to track down all the clusters. Different years had different illuminators placed differently, and so before we start on those generations, we need to make sure we have each and every one of those clusters. So I need you guys to do two things. First, I need you guys below this video, there is a form to sign up for the waiting list. So you can just fill that out, and then you guys will get early bird access. We'll send feedback to the group via email and SMS text to get your feedback on clusters that we're developing. And so that's number one. The second thing below that, once you fill that out, there is a cluster trade-in program. So basically, for us to make new faceplates for these trucks, we need to have every single year for both diesel, gas with tack, gas with non-tack, for both 8th gen and 10th gen. And they need to be 4-wheel drive clusters. So you'll see that there's a drop down with a bunch of different clusters, and as we get clusters, we will cross them off the list so you guys know which ones we are still looking for, and we need them all before we can get started. So that's one of the hardest things. So what we're asking you guys is if you know somebody who has an extra cluster that matches the criteria below on that list, and you want to sell it, what we're doing is we're going to offer you guys a $250 store credit to use towards a faceplate kit, whether it's an existing faceplate kit or product that we have, or future products that we have, in exchange for that extra cluster that we can have, model, take apart, and do all that good stuff. So that's what I need you guys to do. So again, number one, below this video, there's a waiting list. Join the waiting list for the 8th gen or 10th gen. Just select your truck generation. Let us know what you'd like to see on that form in terms of what faceplates we're making for those trucks. And then below that, once you're finished that, you'll see a list of all the clusters we're looking for. If you have an extra one, we'll give you $250 in store credit if you have one that matches what we're looking for. And you can just fill out the form if you're interested in that exchange program at the very end of this page. So let us help you, but we need your help to get these things made. We'll see you soon.